Hey there, welcome back to Manipulation Clan. Are you a graphic designer or a short filmmaker? Or maybe you want to create a cinematic movie poster for your YouTube short film, but you don't have any knowledge about softwares like Photoshop. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how you can create stunning movie poster using free AI tool. Creating movie poster doesn't have any rocket science, especially when you have access to powerful AI tools. While paid options like Midjourney offer fantastic features, but we are focusing on free alternative for Midjourney. Before starting, I would like to show you some posters which are created using free AI tools. First, open any browser. I am using Chrome browser. After that, search for ideogram and click on first name. Here, you have to sign up. I am using Google account for sign up. First time you will see such message, just click on checkbox and continue. After that, you have to put some username. In my case, I am using manipulation clan. Now we are going to see how powerful tool is this. Although this is free tool, you can generate only 25 images per day. But in each generation, you will get 4 images, which means you can create 100 images per day. As I am using this site in landscape mode, you can use this in vertical mode on your mobile. Only difference is that you have to click on this plus icon for generation or giving prompt to it. Before starting, make sure you are selecting ratio for your poster. Here, I am selecting ratio which is 10 by 16. As I want to create poster for title AI War, I am giving prompt as create movie poster in double quote AI War, which is title show technology overcomes human, comma AI war against human, and also specify details based on your need and add keywords likewise. After that, select style like photo, cinematic, poster, dark fantasy, etc. Now click on generation and wait for final result. As I mentioned earlier, here you can see 4 images are generated by this AI tool, which are unexpected from free tool, and you can see text which is Midjourney can't generate from for now. This is another poster for familyman, and you can see how I prompted to generate this result.